strutting.
Same day, different blind. I'm gonna try this setup out here in this bean field. They've been coming up out of the trees down into this bottom here last few days, and I think we're gonna try it.
You guys are incredible. You guys are incredible. Incredible.
Got the
Bad
Bee
hunter.
Mobile out there.
Brandon, you're a
And the
bad
She
hunter, aren't
Mobile.
you?
It's a
How
beautiful.
many turkeys you shoot? Which one? You trying to decoy? There you go.
Beautiful March day out here. There should be plenty of turkeys, and I have no reason why there's not any out here.
They're coming
Do you see them?
in. 4 turkeys.
Oh, look at that turkey. That's got a nice beard. Oh, that must be the majestic little turkey.
Shut up.
I've never heard a turkey call like that.
I know. It looks like a very, very mean turkey. Moo! Oh no. Oh, she's got her young. She's bringing her young in for us.
She's going to roost.
Oh yes, look how she roosts.
You hear our turkey callers?
Yeah. Turkey! Quiet, we're shooting turkey!
Yep.